We'll start with the Mustard R43 size 10. This is shear 40/0. So we'll just attach our tying thread about 2/3 of the way along the hook shank. We go back, remove that a little bit further. Need a little bit of wax. Some homemade hares ear dubbing. I want to cover about 2/3 of the hook shank with this. I want it a spiky dubbing. I've just got a little bit further back, and then we can start going forward. Tighten that up. About 3/4, 2/3, sorry, ways along the hook shank. Need a little bit more there. Excellent. Then what we need is a mottled turkey quill, and we need to cut a little strip of that. And we take the strip and we fold it to form a roof style wing. And just straighten that edge up. And just attach that. That's good. And then we can trim this off at an angle, like so. Then we need some polypropylene yarn. I'll pull that up on top, go over a couple of times and just level that up. There we go, and then we can lock that off just there, and then we can strengthen the base of the post to take our parachute hackle. Now every few turns you can lock it off so you don't lose it, because it can happen that once you're going around you can pull it off like that, and we just work our way up. You just need to stiffen the base of this for the parachute hackle, and we can come back down like so and tighten it off. There we go. Now we need a brown dyed grizzle hackle that we want to tie in at the base of the stem here. And I'll just go around and up, back down, trim off that, tie it down, and go back into the thorax. Then we need a little bit more hares ear dubbing. Again, make this a scruffy dubbing. And I'll go around here and forward. whip finisher. Two whip finishes and remove the tying thread. Oops. Spin that around like so, and we reattach our tying thread at the base of the parachute post. Lock it off. You can remove that, and we can take our brown grizzle hackle and wrap this in nice neat turns. Move it down into the thorax. Spin my tying thread up. Go under all the hackle fibres. Tie that off. Like that. Then we can trim off surplus hackle. Whip finisher and go in on the underside and out the way. Tie that off, give it one more. And out the way. There we are. Remove our tying thread. Can put a drop of varnish on there if you wish. Get this out the vise again. Turn it around in the vise again. Like so. And we remove the polypropylene so it's about a centimetre or a little less. Take our cauterizing tool. We weld the hackle in place, and that's it. That's the finished parachute mottled sedge. Very nice pattern, especially for running water. So if you enjoy the videos, please like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.